Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to Absolute Josh. I just want to say real quick, Happy New Year's, and let me get that over with. Now, I hope you enjoy the new year, and this video right here is to show you, yes you, how to live an amazing 2020 year with these 3 challenges that you can give to yourself. What you want to do is, if you want to live an amazing year, if you want to have good challenges to support yourself and develop as a person, reach your absolute potential, what I would say first is exercise 3 times a week. I would say, well, for you, maybe anyone actually, personally, you could do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And Monday, Wednesday, and Friday provide you with the opportunity to rest in between days and enjoy your whole weekend resting and enjoying it. And secondly, I just want to get out right off the bat. You should actually, maybe, it's up to you, but I recommend it. You should actually try to just put 10%, just 10% of your money aside. Just set it somewhere, like a little book or envelope or something. Put it in put 10% of the cash. Go to an ATM, get some cash out a little bit, or put it into your bank. And yeah, just 10%. Get a little savings account, something going on for you. And just 10% aside. You know what that can help with? It could help with a potential rainy day fund, or a potential vacation, maybe, who knows, or even just a Friday night pizza, hang out with your friends. And yeah, who doesn't want to have a little? Well, of course, saving is a pain. It can be a pain, but at times it can really help you out. If you're a teenager, like most of the viewers, or if you're older than that, hey, a little bit of money. I know it's a pain. You don't want to put aside money. You want to spend it. You want to enjoy life. You want to buy stuff. Yes, don't we all? But what I want to say is that just 10% aside. Okay, let me get off right off the bat. Or actually, well, we're already past the bat. We already hit the ball on our home run. But let me just say, meditation. Yes, you've heard it before. You're like, hey, I don't want all this woo-woo weird stuff. Or no. Let me start off simple. Let me start off with a study done by Harvard. Yes, within 8 weeks of a group of people doing a mindfulness meditation study, guess what happened? 8 weeks, like 30 minutes a day. But I'm thinking you just start with 5. Get that habit going. 3 to 5 minutes. But within like 8 weeks, the gray matter within their brain, you know what happened? It actually increased. And gray matter is something that'll help with your productivity, your motivation, especially your focus and your concentration. So I recommend that, especially, guys. Now let me just go real quick. 3 to 5 minutes a day. Just thinking about your thoughts, not actually thinking about your thoughts, not contemplating them, not judging them, just sitting down and just listening. It's something that's so simple, and it's like so simple I don't even want to do it, or it's just a waste of time. Hey, trust me, I've been meditating for I would say about 2 years now, every day. Okay, not really every day. I'm not perfect. Almost every day for like 10 minutes a day, and it's changed my life. It's really changed my life. It's put me in a great mood most of the time. Just permanence isn't a thing, but at least you can have more of what you want. So yeah, if you want a good state of mind, if you want some more focused meditation, just like mindfulness, do some research on it. Really, just like search up, well, mindfulness health benefits. There's hundreds. Okay, maybe not hundreds. There's like dozens, and they're by like credible sources like Healthline and all that, Forbes, what else, Medium.com. I don't know, but I do know that these 3 challenges will drastically help you out, improve your 2021 year, and just make life a little better for you. Who doesn't want a better life, right? Who doesn't want more concentration? Who doesn't want more motivation from the exercise? If you can get that done, along with the endorphins and dopamine running to your brain after exercise, yeah. If you want more specifics, 30 minutes a day of exercise, or even just 15 to start, get that habit going. 3 to 5 minutes of mindfulness, and just like 10% of your income. 10% of money you make, 10% of allowance, 10% of chores, whatever you do to get money. Even if you don't do anything yet, you'll have extra money when you do get some money. A gift, birthday money, who knows, Christmas money, put a little bit aside, get an envelope, use a savings account, whatever, enjoy life. Make the most of it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's to you all. And yeah, peace. Oh, one more thing. If you'd really mean a lot if you could subscribe, just consider it, and also like, because the like ratings are a little low for the views and also the subscribers. Well, don't be one of the people who watches all these videos but doesn't subscribe. It really makes a difference if you subscribe, hit that bell so you can see the future uploads, and just like so I know you enjoyed the video. or just consider liking if it helped you out in any way at all, and subscribe if you want more of these types of videos. Thank you again. Lastly, peace.